After 60. Do this 10-minute Tai Chi every morning to remove joint pain if your knees hurt when you wake up, if your body feels stiff before breakfast, and if you're over 60, this 10-minute morning routine can change how you walk, stand, and move for the rest of your life. Stay with me till the end, because one simple Tai Chi move here has helped thousands of seniors reduce joint pain without medicine. Hello, dear friends. If you're watching this, chances are you want to stay independent, active, and pain-free, even after 60. The truth is, joint pain is not just old age. Most pain comes from stiff joints, weak muscles, and poor circulation, all of which can be improved. Today, I'll guide you through a safe, gentle 10-minute Tai Chi routine, specially designed for seniors. No jumping, no floor exercises, no equipment. Just slow, natural movements. Why morning Tai Chi works in the morning. Joints are dry, muscles are cold, blood flow is slow. Tai Chi works because it lubricates joints, wakes up muscles, improves balance, reduces inflammation. Doctors and studies confirm that slow movement with breathing is one of the safest ways to protect joints after 60. 10 minute Tai Chi. Routine minute 1 to 2. Correct standing and breathing. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, spine straight, shoulders relaxed, hands by your sides. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. Say quietly in your mind, slow, calm, relaxed, minute tres, minus cuatro. Opening the body warm-up move. Slowly raise both hands to chest level. Breathe in, lower hands down. Breathe out, repeat 5 times. This improves circulation and prepares your joints. Minute 5-7. The most powerful move, cloud hands. Right hand moves in a slow circle in front of chest. Shift weight gently from right foot to left foot. Move slowly, no force. Helps knee pain. Reduces back stiffness. Improves balance. Do this for 2 full minutes. Minute 8 to 9. Weight shifting for strong legs. Shift weight onto right leg, then onto left leg. Keep breathing slow. This movement strengthens legs, prevents falls, builds confidence in walking. Minute 10. Closing and relaxation. Place both hands over your lower belly. Close eyes. Take 3 slow deep breaths. What happens if you do this daily? Motivation within 7 days. Less morning stiffness within 30 days. Stronger legs, better balance, less joint pain, many seniors say. I feel younger when I walk. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone over 60, subscribe for more gentle senior health routines, and comment below. I will try Tai